Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to attach grandma squares together with the single crochet. I use the single crochet. They will become like this. And for any of you interested in knowing how to make these flowers, at the end of this video you will find a link on a video how to make this flower. But in this video I'm going to show you how to attach them together like this. You will have this result, as you can see, when you attach them. Hope that you will understand what I will be doing and that you manage to make them. As you can see here, I already attached here, and I'm going to show you how to continue attaching. You go in the first one here. I have another one ready here. You put back to back like this. You take the thread, you find the corners here, single crochet or double crochet, you turn the thread over here, so you attach it with and you make another single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Now you make a single crochet in every chain that you have, and you make sure that you attach it with the one at the back, with the other one. You continue attaching like that, making a single needle on every chain, and you continue attaching like that, as you can see, until you continue like that until you arrive here in the corner here. Then I show you how to continue attaching it. As you can see, this is ready. I attached it. I arrived here at the corner. Now in the corner here I make 2 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, in the corner. I take the next square. You take the next square, you take another ready one, always back to back, and you continue attaching like you did before. Here, without cutting the thread, here you make 2 single crochet or double crochet, how you call it, and you continue attaching in every chain that you find. You continue like that, like we did before. Then when you arrive here in the corner, you make another 2 single crochet or double crochet here together. Then you attach another one with the next square, always putting it back to back, and you continue attaching the whole row like that, and you get this result at the end. You will get this result. Then I will show you how to attach the other sides. As you can see, these are ready here. I attach them all together. Now we're going to attach here. We're going to attach there, and we're going to do the same like we did. We find the corners here, and we start the single crochet, another single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then you make a single crochet in every chain that you have, single crochet or double crochet, depending how you call it. You continue doing a single crochet all the way here. Then when you arrive here, I will show you how to continue. As you can see here, we attach them. We have arrived here at the corner. So here in the corner where we have the chains, we make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and another 2 on this side. We make another 2, 1 and 2, and you continue attaching like before, single crochet or double crochet all the way, and then when you arrive here in the corner, you make 2 here and 2 here, 2 and 2, and here single crochet and double crochet. You continue like that, and it comes, as you see, like that. Then I'll show you when it's finished how they come. As you can see, it is ready. I attached it. This is how it comes, like this. As you have seen, it was not difficult to attach them together. As I told you before, at the end of this video, you will find the link on how to make these flowers for any of you who are interested in making these flowers. Hope that you understand what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.